I'm going to taste this Thai tea. This is imported by Nirvana. Nirvana is a major imported company based in the United States. You can buy their products in Amazon, Walmart, and Asian supermarkets. I'm going to open it. Okay, drink it. Tastes good. Thai style tea, very good. I'm going to taste Thai style sausage. This one is pork sausage, and this one pork sausage with rice. They are made by a company in California called Champ. Champ is a major Thai style food company because meat cannot import into the United States. I'm gonna open this sausage. This is original pork sausage made by Champ in Whittier, California. Let's cut it open. Take it out. There are four in one bag. So this is original flavor, and this one is pork sausage with rice, also made by Champ in Whittier, California. Take it out. Okay. So the dark color is the original flavor, and this one is pork with rice. I'm going to air fry them. Before air fry, we'll poke some holes on the sausage so make it cook better. And this is the original flavor, and this is the sausage with rice. Let's try original first. Cut it open. It's original. Let's taste the original sausage. Very good. Very good flavor with Thai style seasoning and tastes good, not too spicy. Then taste sausage with rice. Cut this. Okay, so you can see sausage and rice inside. Rice inside. Good. Good. So it's different flavor with rice inside, and not too salty either. A different kind of seasoning. Very good. I'm gonna taste this snack. This is called Big Roll, grilled seaweed roll, made by Noi. Noi is a major seaweed snack food company in Thailand. I'm going to open it. Take it out. Okay. There are 9 here. So this is the barbecue sauce flavor. So let's cut it open. Take it out. Seaweed, barbecue sauce flavor. Very crispy and good taste. Not too salty, very good. A seaweed flavor and barbecue sauce. And it's a drink with Thai tea. Good combination for the snack. I'm gonna taste this Mangosteen drink made by Thai Agri Company. Thai Agri is a major drink company in Thailand. I'm gonna open it. Tastes good. A little bit sweet. I'm gonna put some ice on it. I'm gonna taste this sweet rice Taro cake made by Thai AC Food Company. Thai AC Food Company is a major food company in Thailand. I'm going to open it. Open. Well, so 2 in here. I'm gonna steam this. After that, I'm gonna open the wrap. We're gonna steam this. Now when we steam it with the wrap, this is a lotus leaf. So when you steam The lotus leaf, you can get fragrance with lotus leaf. It smells good. Lotus leaf. And it's 2-in-1 wrap. Now we're gonna unwrap it. We're gonna cut it. Get it out. Cut it. It's more easy. Take it. Cut it. There's 2. So let's open 1. Okay, so this 3 rice taro cake. Let's cut it open, see what's inside. Okay, so it's 3 rice, taro, and red bean. Right, some rice, taro together. Soft, creamy. Not too sweet, a good taro and red bean flavor. Try this. It's a good dessert. I'm going to taste this Thai coconut roll, made by Thai AC Food Company. Thai AC Food Company is a major food company in Thailand. I'm going to open it. Here we go. Put that in the box. So there are 6 in 1 box. Cut it open. Take it out. So they got 5 in 1 pack. Take one. See the sesame. Very strong. Coconut smell very good. With sesame and not too sweet. Very good, crispy. Good taste. Drink this. It's a good snack. I'm going to taste this Cremo red bean ice bar, made in Thailand, imported by Walong Marketing Company. Walong is a major Asian food import company based in the United States. I'm going to open it. Take it out. So there are 5 in 1 box. Let's cut it open. Take it out. Here's the red bean ice bar. Let's take a bite. Soft and creamy. It's not too sweet. Very good. Good taste. Red bean ice bar.